Hey, what's up guys, Mills is here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to easily fix all iPhone and iPad problems with ReiBoot. ReiBoot is one of the most popular apps that easily solve all iOS problems, iPad problems and iTunes updates. In this video I will do a review on ReiBoot and why you should get it. Okay guys, after downloading and installing the software, open it. As you can see, this is the software. Okay, now open it. As you can see, this is the software and this is the main interface. Okay, what is ReiBoot? ReiBoot is an iOS repair and recovery software. You can use it on iPhones, iPads and other devices that use iOS as the operating system. This software allows entering and exiting the recovery mode in a single click, as well as performing standard and deep system repairs. Okay, now as you can see here, this is my iPhone. My iPhone is stuck on recovery mode. Okay guys, now I will turn on my device. As you can see, my device is stuck on recovery mode. Now I will force restart my device to make sure it's stuck on recovery mode. As you can see, my device is back in recovery mode again. Okay, now I am going to use ReiBoot to solve this problem easily. Okay, now I will connect my iPhone to my Mac. Okay, as you can see, my device is now connected to my Mac. Now I will click on Exit Recovery Mode. Once I click on this option, this software will exit the recovery mode and returns to the normal mode. Okay, now wait a few seconds. It might take about 30 seconds. Okay, as you can see guys, my device is now working again and it has returned to the normal mode. As you can see, the problem of the device being stuck on recovery mode has been fixed with just one click. My device now works normally without any problem. Of course guys, you can solve any other problems of your iPhone or iPad easily with this software. This software provides you with other useful options. Okay guys, now click on Other Tools menu here. As you can see, there are several options. As you can see, the first option is to factory reset iPhone. This option will completely restore your device and solve all your device problems. The second option, which is a very useful option, is to solve the problem of iTunes not recognize your iOS device. The third option is recovery mode instructions. The fourth option is DFU mode instructions. And the last option is downgrade instructions. What matters most here is the second option, which can solve the problem of iTunes not recognize your iOS device. In case you connected your device to iTunes and iTunes doesn't recognize it, this option will fix this problem. To solve the issue of iTunes not recognizing your iOS device, simply connect your iPhone or iPad to your Mac. After connecting your device, click on Update button. As you can see, I have the latest version of iTunes components. In case you don't have the latest version, you will see a small screen just like this one. Just click Update and wait for the iTunes components to be updated. After that, iTunes will recognize your iOS device without any problem. As for the first option, which is to factory reset iPhone, this option will fix all iPhone problems that you have and return your device to factory mode. Of course, this option will wipe all your device data. In case you want to repair your device without deleting your device data, all you have to do is choose the standard mode. The standard repair involves system repair without data loss. But before you choose this option, make sure that you have at least 800 MB free space on your device. If that doesn't resolve the issue, you can try Deep Repair, which resets your device to factory default. This means you are guaranteed to resolve any iOS problem in several clicks. Okay guys, ReiBoot software is very useful in fixing iOS problems, especially the device stuck on recovery mode. With the ReiBoot software, you can update your iPhone or iPad to the latest version without iTunes. ReiBoot also allows you to downgrade iOS without jailbreaking it. You can also replace a jailbroken system with the latest non-jailbreak version. The wide array of features makes the tool convenient for all iOS device owners. Okay guys, what I like about ReiBoot software, the ReiBoot software can repair more than 50 problems with your iOS system. Easy to use tool with a user-friendly interface. It's compatible with the latest iOS versions, iPhones and iPads. Okay guys, why you should get ReiBoot software? Tenorshare ReiBoot is suitable for both amateurs and professional users. If you don't have previous experience with iOS devices, you will benefit from a tool that can repair your system in a couple of clicks. Okay guys, you will find the download link of this software below the video. Alright, thanks for watching, stay safe, peace.